There are many products available to choose from. Best hoverboard, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best hoverboard from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Legal hoverboard. The hoverboard is easy to learn and maintains balance. It can go straight, make a turn, and rotate for 360 degrees locally, and is operated at will. Verified safety hoverboard. Many certified hoverboards comply with all US safety regulations, which are with the features of high temperature resistance and fire resistance. 6.5-inch wheels. High-intensity LED headlights provide you with a safer ride at night. Now you can ride it anywhere at any time. Awesome LED design with color lights gives you a colorful experience. Hoverboard built-in wireless speaker. Built-in wireless speaker can be easily connected to portable devices in seconds. Just enjoy your favorite music or books without wearing headphones. Make your hoverboard the coolest one with extraordinary sound effects. Easy to use and stable control. The hoverboard is easy to learn and maintains balance. It can go straight, make a turn, and rotate for 360 degrees locally, and is operated at will. Warranty. 3 months warranty and 24/7 email. Number 2. Hover One Ultra Electric Hoverboard. One of the primary pain points for many hoverboards is that they can't travel very far on a single battery charge. It's up to 7 miles per battery charge, is over 2x the distance of cheap hoverboards. The Hover One is quite a bit heavier than other boards, but that will only really matter if your child will have to pick it up and carry it long distances. It also doesn't have flashy extras like Bluetooth or colored LED wheel lights, which you might expect for the price. Fun-filled Performance Ultra reaches a top speed of 9 miles per hour, and can scale inclines of up to 7 degrees, thanks to its dual 200W motors, outputting 400W of total power. Self-balancing system. The built-in inertia dynamic stabilization system will give you the confidence to ride like a pro. The Ultra Hoverboard subtly balances itself to keep you upright and will stabilize itself if you tilt too far forward or backward, providing a safe, stable, and fun riding experience. LED headlights. The bright dual LED headlights illuminate your path and add style to your ride. Long-lasting battery. Ultra features a built-in 36V4 lithium-ion rechargeable battery that fully charges in 5 hours. Ride up to 9 miles on a full charge. We take safety seriously. Ultra creates alert signals if you are riding too fast or on unsafe surfaces, so you can slow down and avoid mishaps. Ultra is UL 2272 certified, meaning that it has been tested to applicable standards and deemed safe by an independent third party. Number 3. Gyro Warrior 8.5-inch Hoverboard. This hoverboard is UL 2272 certified, and this means it has passed strict electrical and safety tests to assure safe charging and rides. If you feel this hoverboard is performing below this promise, feel free to contact us. Super sturdy and durable. The Warrior 8.5-inch off-road hoverboard is made from a perfect combination of all approved materials, which make up a sturdy structure that guarantees durability, while keeping you safe during rides, and allowing you to enjoy this hoverboard for years to come. All-terrain rides with 8.5-inch solid tires and 700 watts motor. You can be sure of a smooth and easier ride on all terrains. So, feel free to ride on grass, dirt, gravel or wet surfaces. Ride like a warrior. Music speaker included for the music lovers. We have added a built-in branded high-quality music speaker to allow you play your music when riding the hoverboard. No ride will be more fun than this. Self-balancing board. The self-balancing technology used for this hoverboard makes it easier and safe for new riders. Master the art of balancing in minutes. Our safety promise. This hoverboard is UL 2272 certified, and this means it has passed strict electrical and safety tests to assure safe charging and rides. If you feel this hoverboard is performing below this promise, feel free to contact us. Number 4. Gotrax Hoverboard. If you're looking for a hoverboard under $100, the Gotrax Edge is our top choice. Fun, quick, and responsive, our older and more experienced testers found the Glide to offer a better riding experience, even compared to other more expensive models. Compared to other cheap hoverboards, such as the budget-friendly Hover One Rebel, the Glide truly shines as it features a higher weight capacity, a more powerful motor, and most important of all, a self-balancing mode. A hoverboard self-balancing mode works with the rider to help them stay upright and stable on the board. This technology came out in 2017 and has significantly improved the stability of hoverboards. The Hover One Rebel does not feature self-balancing mode. As a result, that Hover One hoverboard is a bit jerky when executing even simple movements. You can certainly still ride it, but it takes more effort and concentration. The Hover One Rebel also has the least powerful motor of any hoverboard we tested, just 220 watts versus the Gotrax Edge's 400 watts. Additionally, the Hover One Rebel has only a 130-pound weight capacity versus the Gotrax's 220 pounds. This electric hoverboard isn't just for kids. It's for riders of all sizes and able to carry anyone up to 44 to 176 pounds. It can be an affordable and unique gift for your friends and family. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We provide professional online customer service and 180 days warranty. Number 5. Gotrax Nova Series Hoverboard. Gotrax hoverboards get their popularity from innovative design and reliable quality. Features dual 200-watt motors and a max speed of 6.2 miles per hour. Gotrax Nova can support up to 176 pounds. Of all the hoverboards we tested, our confident kid testers consistently came back to the Gotrax Nova and Nova Pro. These kids' hoverboards offered a smooth ride inside and outdoors and accelerated at a brisk but controlled pace. And while both of these Gotrax hoverboards were quickly responsive to the rider's movements, they also offered plenty of self-balancing correction to bolster confidence and keep kids steady on their feet. Both the Nova and Nova Pro have a max MPH of 6.2, but the Pro offers a few upgrades. Its max ride time per charge is 5 miles compared to the Nova's 3.1, and the Pro is also a Bluetooth hoverboard that easily pairs with your smartphone. The Pro also has 6.53 all-terrain tires, compared to the Nova's 6.53 smooth tread. Our testers actually preferred the Nova's smooth tread tires, stating that the Pro's all-terrain tread was a little bumpy on the sidewalk and asphalt. Unless you'll regularly be riding longer distances on dirt roads, the less expensive Gotrax Nova will probably keep your kids plenty happy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.